Chapter 7, Introducing HTML. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to know about HTML and its features, rules for writing HTML codes, contrast between a container and empty text, design a web page. Warm up. Samaira wants to surf some of the famous websites. Provide her with the website link of the following. Teacher's note. Ask students if they have ever thought about which language is used to build their superb website. Inform them that markup language are used to create websites. Hello friends, we use markup language to create websites. HTML and XML are the most popular markup languages. Let's learn about one of them, HTML. Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is one of the most popular and widely used language for creating web pages. Website consists of multiple web pages with text, pictures, videos and animation. Because of HTML. HTML contains a number of tags that are easy to learn and work with. Tim Berners-Lee developed HTML in 1991. HTML released year: HTML1 1993, HTML2 1995, HTML3 1997, HTML4 1999, HTML 4.01 2012, HTML5 2014. Let me answer. What is the full form of HTML? Key features of HTML. A platform-independent language. A very easy and simple language. It allows us to build tables and add a link to the web page. It offers a flexible way to construct web pages along with the text. Let me answer. Explain platform-independent language. Terminologies related to HTML. Hypertext. Using text called hypertext. A basic text is transformed into a dynamic text. Also, it has the unique ability to link to other web pages. Markup language. A language which uses special symbol called text to format text document and tells the browser how to display the text. Tag. Tags are the basic building blocks of a web page. Each HTML tag carries out a certain task, and some are used for formatting text, while some are used for adding images and videos, and some other are used for navigation. Do you know HTML is also called tag-based language? Web page. A web page is formatted document that is translated and displayed by the web browser of your computer system. Rules for writing HTML codes. In order to write HTML codes, we need to abide by some rules. These are: tags should always be surrounded by angle brackets. Values given to the attributes should be enclosed with the double quotes. Remember it. There should be no spaces between brackets in a tag. Tags in HTML. As we know that HTML is a markup language which uses text to mark up the content of web pages. Tags are used as keyword in HTML. Each tag is used to carry out a certain operation which browser software can recognize. Attributes are characteristics that have been assigned to each tag. Attributes of tags can be used to modify their properties. Let us look into HTML tags and their attributes. The HTML tags can be categorized as container tags. A tag that has both an open and closed tag is called a container tag. For example, HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag. Empty tags. A tag that only contains an open tag and no closing tag is also called an empty tag. For example, BR, HR and many more. Block level tag. A block level tag starts on a new line by default and occupy the entire available width. For example, paragraph P, horizontal rule HR, etc. Text level tag. The text level tags are used to mark up parts of the text. These tags do not start with a line. For example, bold, angle with B, subscript, angle with sub, etc. Structure of HTML document. The HTML file is a text document that contains markup tag. The markup tags instruct the web browser on how to display the web page. An HTML file is saved with HTM or HTML extensions. Let us learn the basic structure of HTML document. HTML, head, title, title of the web page, title, head, body, content of the web page, body, HTML. Remember it. Head contains the information which is not to be shown on the web page, whereas body contains the information which is to be shown on the web page. Designing a web page. We already know how to create a basic HTML document. Now let us learn to create a web page using some different tags. HTML, head, title, English essay title, head, body BG color green, H1, English essay H1, H2, one importance of trees H2. Trees gives us life directly and indirectly as they are source of oxygen production CO2, consumption and source of rain. They are the most precious gift to humanity on the earth from nature. We must be grateful, give honor and preserve it for the wellness of humankind. We should understand the importance of trees in our lives and do our best to save trees to save our life. Save the environment on the earth and make the earth a green earth. Body HTML. Type the above in the notepad window with the desired name HTML. This file name can be located in Windows Explorer and double click on the file icon. The web page will appear like this. Editing an HTML document. Follow the given step to edit an existing HTML document. 1. Navigate to the location where you have saved your file. 2. Right click on your file to open the context menu. 3. Move your cursor over the open with option and a submenu will open. 4. Click on the notepad. Once you are done making the changes, you need to save the file by pressing the Ctrl S keys. Kids IQ, where do we write the HTML document? Let's recall. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Tags are the basic building blocks of a web page. Attributes are characteristics that have been assigned to each tag. A tag that has both an open and closed tag is called a container tag. A tag that only contains an open tag and no closing tag is only an empty tag. The markup tag instructs the web browser on how to display the web page. An HTML file is saved with HTM or HTML extensions. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. HTML stands for dash. Answer. Hypertext Markup Language. 2. Dash developed HTML in 1991. Answer. Tim Berners-Lee. 3. HTML is a platform dash language. Answer. Independent. 4. Dash are the basic building blocks of a web page. Answer. Tag. 5. Dash are characteristics that have been assigned to each tag. Answer. Attributes. B. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. HTML was developed in 1981. Answer. False. 2. HTML is a very difficult language. Answer. False. 3. Hypertext transforms a basic text into a dynamic text. Answer. False. 4. Tag should always be surrounded by curly brackets. Answer. False. 5. A tag that only contains an open tag and no closing tag is called a container tag. Answer true. C. Answer in one word. 1. The basic building blocks of a web page. Answer tag. 2. A language which uses tags to format text document and tells the browser how to display the text. Answer markup language. 3. A formatted document that is translated and displayed by the web browser. Answer HTML. 4. Characteristic of tags that cannot be used to modify them. Answer markup tag. 5. The tag starts on a new line by default and occupies the entire available width. Answer block level tag. D. Answer the following question. 1. What is the basic structure of the HTML document? Answer. The HTML file is a text document that contains markup tag. The markup tag instructs the web browser on how to display the web page. 2. Explain different type of HTML tags. Answer container tag, empty tag, block level tag, text level tag. 3. Write the rule for writing HTML code. Answer. In order to write HTML code, we need to abide by some rules. These are: tag should be always be surrounded by angle brackets. Values given to the attribute should be enclosed in double quote. 4. Explaining any three terminologies related to HTML. Answer. The three terminologies related to HTML is hypertext, markup language, tag. 5. Write some HTML tag with their attributes. Answer empty tag. A tag that only contains an open tag and no closing tag is called an empty tag. For example, BR, HR and many more. Critical thinking. Solve the crossword using the given clues. Down. 1. The tags which have only an opening tag. Answer empty. 2. Most commonly used text editor for web page designing. Answer Notepad. 3. A tag that transforms a basic text into a dynamic text. Answer hypertext. 5. Attribute used to change color of the text in a web page. Answer tag. Across. 3. Markup language used to create web pages. Answer HTML. 4. Tag used to define the text to be shown on the web page. Answer code. 6. Tag is used to define what is to be shown on the title bar when the web page is opened in the web browser. Answer title. 7. Tag used to define header area of the web page. Answer text. Team work. Name of the some famous website are given below. Surf the internet with the help of your teacher to find out the programming language used for creating these websites. www.youtube.com. Answer C++. 2. www.google.com. Answer PHP. 3. www.facebook.com. Answer Python. 4. www.twitter.com. Answer Java.